Can't say a bunch of crap until after the camera's on. Now you can say all the crap you want because nobody cares. Alright, so we got the gas tank off. It's down there. He cleaned the motor up really good. I told him to clean it. He didn't do squat.
I can't even get my hand in there, y'all. So once I can get my hand in there, I'm a big finger guy.
Let me see your fat ass hands. Look
big
at those
hands.
fat ass hands. See?
See that, y'all? It's a big difference.
Okay, so run a rag through there. Here, I'll give you a rag to use. You can.
Oh, another one.
I'm gonna donate that one to the cause.
You notice this, y'all? He don't give out rags.
I don't care about the top. I care about the sides over here where the dirt goes inside the motor.
No problem.
After you get off the bike, you can fix the rest. But now, if you keep yanking on these fuel lines over here, whatever these things are, you're gonna break them. So try not to break those.
Okay.
Unless you want to, it'll be more stuff. It'll be more stuff to fix. So.
Nah. You know, y'all thought I was gonna go bar hopping tonight, but hey.
Yeah, you're hopping all right.
Tatro gave me other options.
Okay, so when you're done filming, shut it off this time instead of leaving it on for 5 hours. So what are you looking for in here anyway?
Trying to see if anything's jumping out of place.
There you go. See, he knows what to do.
Like I said, some asshole
Hey, no
named
swearing.
Flex.
No swearing.
Some jerk.
Dumbass. Dumbass is okay.
Can't call him dumb, you know. The bike started.
Everybody's a dumbass.
The bike started up pretty good, but it just made a noise, y'all, unfortunately. Tatro didn't do it, though.
Sure.
Wish you had a couple of better tools. Excuse me. Keep doing this, sir, wife. Hello? At Tatro's? Where you at? Alright, well, come around the front to the Tatro's. Alright. Alright.
Okay, what I was looking for?
What?
I was looking for something.
The rag.
Besides that. Oil. You got the oil?
Yeah, oil's already out.
Gas machine?
Yep. It's all up front. I mean, out back.
Everything's out back? Okay. What you got? You broke it yet?
Yes.
What?
Good job. We're not talking to you. Where my tools at? There's only quarter drive sockets up.
They didn't grow legs, Tatro.
I think they did. Probably about here.
Yeah, bro, could you check to see if they got both of them? Because my boy already ready over here. Oh, okay. Both of the glides. Yeah. Right. I'm taking my rocket boxes off now, man. I'm gonna take your YouTube.
You're not yakking on the phone instead of working, are you?
Alright. Yep. I'll call you right back, bro. Taking this thing out. No, never that taped. I do all good work. My buddy's coming in. His bike ran excellence. 107.
Just like clean a rocket box. Look at that.
You got the good tool now. You gave me the crappy tools. See how he do me YouTube
Oh
followers?
yeah, I know exactly how that happens too.
Try to get all the luxury tools and he's my sensei also, hey.
Hurry up, get those off.
Alright. He's my sensei also, hey. If you look on the old thing, I'll put in the clutch.
Try this one.
Alright, it's off. Rocker box screws off. Cool. See, now you give it to me.
I bet you
What a great man he is,
I
y'all.
bet you it doesn't fit.
A great man he is, y'all.
See, yes. Tight. I bet you it doesn't fit because it's too big.
Nah, it fits all.
That's for lines.
Here, these for these three sides of this rocker.
Why are they on this side? It should be on that side.
Alright. Take off these ones too, Tatro?
Take one off.
The other box too?
Let's get the one at a time off.
Alright.
Knock it off.
This one?
Yeah. Where's your hammer at? Where's your plastic hammer at?
That's not plastic.
on my bike.
See how you do, people?
Look at that, nice and clean. Put that somewhere where we get damaged. We're gonna reuse these gaskets, aren't we?
Yeah.
Very good. All right, there's your problem right there. It resembles a Harley. Looks like everything's in there. Keep that red shit down there. Looks like Walker hair.
Oh fuck, man, there's copper right there.
Some jerk put some extra stuff in my.
Something down in there. I don't know what that is. That
Copper.
That screwdriver get in there.
It's like copper metal, man.
Looks like that.
Yeah.
Got a screwdriver? Where's the bucket? Long screwdriver. Nah, too long. Leave it alone.
Hmm.
What do you think it is?
I think it's a washer.
I think it's just gasket goop, but
Gasket goop.
yeah, there's something in there, copper way down in there, see? Look at that, see? What is
Whoa.
that? What is that? It's your
It's not-
bike. It's your bike, what is it?
It's a foreign object, that's for sure.
Something's not supposed to be in there, y'all.
I think it's
Yeah.
that penny that somebody threw in there.
Jeez.
Mikey Flex, you did this?
Yeah, it is, it doesn't want to come off, so. Yeah, maybe it's leftover chrome, who knows. Yeah, whatever it is, it ain't coming off, so. It's probably gasket material of some type, who knows. Okay, so this valve's open right now. Did you ever pull the spark plugs out so we can turn the motor over yet?
No, sir.
Why not? What are you waiting for?
For the okay.
I'm going to do it.
Alright.
Here. You want to use that? Oh, there goes the gasket they were supposed to reuse. These things stick out. You notice that?
A little.
Where's my socket at? The ratchet?
There you go. Does that fit it?
What, the spark plug?
No.
Goes on the end.
Like this?
Yeah.
I'd use the box side though. Your ding dong's going off over there.
Hello?
Ding 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 ding. What do you got over there?
Alright, come in. The door open.
Don't worry, dog has big teeth too.
The door is open. It's always open. Pull it open. Yeah. Not the first door. It's the second door.
Sounds nice. You hear that?
Go back out to the front and I'll let you know.
See all that noise is not up here.
Okay.
Hear that noise? What's that noise?
Scooby! Scooby! Just call the name, Scooby.
Come on, Skibby.
Scooby fine does his fucking job, Tatro.
Come on, Scooby.
This way, 2C. Okay, one spark plug is out, Tatro.
Scooby's doing his job. Look at the hair on his back. It's sticking up really good. Yeah. Yeah.
Dog did his job.
About time.
2C.
He left. He ain't coming in.
What did you close the door?
He left.
Oh, Scooby. Scooby can't scare my people away.
It's a compensator. Noise is on the front of the motor on the other side. What do you think, Walker?
What?
What do you think that noise is?
What noise? Look in there.
Compensator?
It's right here.
It's not down below, you don't think?
It's in here. Something's.
What's in the motor?
Can't see in there. That's not good at all.
You don't like the sound of that?
No. It's like a drum. I bet there's a hole in somewhere.
He on YouTube too. I'm on his YouTube page. He videotaping us right now. Look, we on YouTube, man.
Yeah, so most of the noise we're over in the front cylinder.
Yeah, it's like in here.
I told you when my clever put this thing back together. Just put the top of that.
He's perfect,
Oh,
man.
you're afraid of a little damn Harry Helen. Big deal. Alright, pull the front rocker box.
Alright. Put the 2 spark plugs in here.
I don't care what you put them. Alright, you play with that. We'll be back in a while.
3 shorts and these are 3 longs.
Yeah, that's how it works. See, this is taller than here, see.
Gotcha.
Couldn't we just kick this thing over?
So we got nothing going on here.
No, sir.
If you want to, you can kick it.
Just kick it over and just kick out all that fucking oil?
It'll take a while to do that. We got other stuff to worry about. Okay, where's my wrench at? That noise still does not sound like it's here. Put your finger over this right here, the breather. You feel anything stupid going on in there?
No.
Okay, so it's not noise. So go to the compensator over there. Put your finger on it.
What up, Flex? Where?
No, tensioner down below.
Why don't you pull up, man?
Just hold your finger right on that,
Alright.
and let me know if you feel a clunky noise in there.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
You feel anything down there?
Kinda like a thump. Like a thump. Tatro, you heard Flex? He said check the chain tensioner.
It's already open, nothing wrong with it.
He said it's already open, nothing wrong with it.
The timing chain on the right side?
The outer one is fine, there's nothing wrong with it. So most of the noise seems to be in the compensator. We got the 2 rocker boxes off, they look alright. So you felt something here, didn't you? Go clunk, clunk, clunk?
Yes, a little bit.
This here makes some noise, but this is where most of it is.
Huh?
I don't know nothing.
Hey, do we put goop on the copper?
No,
Look,
Paint.
look.
You just tighten it down?
we use paint.
Oh, yeah.
What am I doing? Wrong one.
Such a bad noise.
What do you feel over there? What's that noise?
It sounds like metal bending almost. Like a metal sheet bending.
Well, I'm not over there, so I can't tell what it is.
Let me do that Tatro thing. You come to this side.
So I don't know if you can handle this. It's a lot of work.
Okay.
Gotta go like this and everything.
I don't know, Flex. I just know me, you try to fix in the garage. I'm up to start making crazy noises. I don't know. I just know me, you tried to fix it that night. Nigga. That motherfucker been making it tick ever since.
I can't tell. Here, try it again. Do it again.
Fuck you two, see? You see laughing.
If I had to guess, I'd say the stator's either loose on the case or
Stator's loose.
something like that. I don't know. Or the compensator's got something goofy going on, but if the compensator feels fairly snug when you hold on to it. Go back and forth again. So you don't really feel it in that.
2C, why don't you call your boy?
What? You got
So I
two
can ask
boys
him
right here.
Yeah.
You ever working on his?
Alright, I don't know. We'll keep playing with this.
Matter of fact, you got
Okay, we got the bike down pretty far. Still haven't found any noise problems yet.
2,000.
Rocker box is off. Cam chest looks good. All the primary stuff's off. Looks good. Compensator looks good. But we still have a noise. There it is. Just when the valve's working. Turn the motor over and the valve quits working, it still makes a noise. Real noisy there. So those valves aren't even moving anymore. You hear how noisy it is. Piston's at top dead center right now in the front. Most of the noise is in the front. Back sounds good. Front's noisy. Nothing down here is making noise. Sounds like a piston or a rod's bad in it to me, but we don't know. There's no metal in the oil. Spark plugs are good. No combustion, no oil in the combustion chamber. Nothing obvious wrong yet that we can see. Everything looks good. But, oh well, we'll make some decisions, see what we're going to do next. Meantime, it's almost tomorrow. You know what? I'll let you wait until tomorrow and make your big decision. How's that?
Sounds cool.
You got 6 minutes.